In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover QuickBooks account. If you're locked out or can't remember your credentials, don't worry. We'll use the official recovery tools so you can safely get back in. There are two simple paths: using the account recovery page or starting from the Intuit sign-in screen with the Forgot Password option. Begin by opening your preferred search engine and typing QuickBooks Recover Account. Look for the official link that mentions account recovery for QuickBooks or Intuit. Make sure you're on an authentic Intuit site before proceeding. The page you want clearly explains how recovery works and what information might be needed. Open that page. Once you're there, take a moment to read through the instructions on the screen. The guidance will outline the recovery flow and present fields or buttons to begin. Follow the prompts exactly as they appear. Moving at a steady pace helps you avoid typos and ensures the system recognizes your details correctly. If the site offers multiple choices, select the one that best matches how you want to prove it's you. You can also start from the standard Intuit login page. On that sign-in screen, select the Forgot Password link. This sends you into the same secure recovery process, just from a different entry point. The system will then offer ways to confirm your identity so it can safely grant you access again. Typically, you'll have the option to receive a one-time code by email, or you can go through an identity verification check. If you choose the email code, watch your inbox for a message from Intuit and enter the code exactly as shown. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a moment and confirm you're checking the correct email address associated with your account. Keep in mind that codes often expire quickly, so use it promptly and don't share it with anyone. If you go with identity verification, simply follow the questions or instructions presented on the screen. Provide accurate information linked to your account and continue until the system confirms you've successfully verified ownership. After you complete the chosen verification method, continue following the on-screen steps until your access is restored. That's all there is to it. Using the official recovery page or the Forgot Password link, combined with either a code sent to your email or an identity check, gets you safely back into your QuickBooks account.